how to use a Grubhub gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can use a Grubhub gift card, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to use a Grubhub gift card, then all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and launch the Grubhub application. Once you launch the Grubhub app on your phone, you're going to see this type of interface basically, as you can see. So once you're logged in over here, what you want to do is just, in order to use a gift card, you want to tap the account icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the account icon from the bottom right, scroll down, and then here you'll most likely find an option that says gift cards. You want to make sure to just tap on gift cards, and if you want to use a gift card, you have to redeem it first. To redeem it, right above the buy button you'll find the redeem a gift card option, so you want to make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on add a new gift card, you just need to enter the 17-digit pin code of your gift card. Once you've entered them, tap the add to my account. Your Grubhub gift card will be successfully used when you are trying to purchase your next order. That's it on how you can use a Grubhub gift card. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.